What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on HA5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on BitTorrent, which has decided to pump up in value just like majority of the cryptocurrencies. Again, the main crypto out there, Bitcoin, is up to $88,000 guys, nearly hitting $89,000, very close to 90,000, which has had a major positive impact on the crypto market. And today's focus is BitTorrent, looking at how high can this crypto go during this bull run. Is it a crypto to be investing into right now? Is it one to be selling if you're on a profit, or is it one to be holding on to going into 2025? And as you guys can see, it has pumped up over 30% in the last 24 hours, and it is currently valued at this value here, as you guys can see on the screen. So we're going to be going through both buyers and sellers point of view and looking at its short-term and long-term prediction as well. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, so make sure to hit that subscribe button. So we are currently looking at the daily chart, the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis, especially that the crypto has literally broken out from the green zone into the dark green zone with zero resistance. Does this mean the crypto is overvalued? Does it mean it's going to go for a price correction and drop back down? We'll find out very shortly. But for now, I'm just going to hide this and bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, giving us the average value of BitTorrent, which is here in purple. However, the crypto is trading at a much higher value here in green, meaning it's performing very well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we can see that the blue and the orange line are both looking quite bullish, heading towards the positive direction. However, they are looking a little bit too steep to be realistic guys. Reason they're looking so steep is because of the major pump that's taken place over the last couple of hours here. The graph thinks the crypto is going to keep pumping in that direction and at that pace over the next couple of hours. However, that is not the case guys. Essentially, it is likely to go for a price correction over the next, towards in the early hours of tomorrow midday. It is likely to go for a price correction, and again, it is likely to pump up in value. And even though it is likely to hit green candles over the next couple of hours, it is likely to be followed by red candles in the early hours of tomorrow. So yes, I'm expecting an overall minimal drop in value from BitTorrent over the next 12 to 14 hours. So again, do expect quite of a wave. Now moving on to the hourly chart over the next couple of days, what can we see here? Again, exact same guys, the blue and the orange line are both looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction, and they are looking a little bit too steep. Once again, exact same reason as the previous chart. So over the next 7 to 8 days, by the end of this week, early next week, I'm expecting BitTorrent to have gone for an overall minimal increase in value. Yes guys, it's trading at a slightly higher value than where it is at the moment. Is where I'm expecting BitTorrent to be trading at by the end of the week. However, do expect a few red days in between as well. So again, the crypto market is likely to go through a minimal dip, a little bit of a step back in value. Reason for that is the crypto market right now is booming, and I'm predicting it to be slightly overvalued, and it's likely to take a little bit of a hit by mid this week towards the end, and then followed by an increase in value towards the second half of November. And I'm expecting Bitcoin to also go past the $90,000 mark guys, which should have a major impact on the crypto market. But again, BitTorrent at the moment does seem to look quite strong. Do expect a few red days over the coming days, but again, what matters is the overall outcome, which does seem to be more on the positive side. So moving on to the daily chart over the next couple of weeks, what can we see here? The blue and the orange line are once again looking a little bit too steep, looking very bullish. So once again, these are not realistic. However, we can see here that the huge green candlestick has made the chart think that it's going to keep pumping in value, especially that the crypto has pumped up over 32% in the last 24 hours. So over the coming 6 to 8 weeks towards the end of this year, early next year, BitTorrent is likely to be trading at a slightly higher value than where it is at the moment. Again, I'm not expecting it to get rid of any zeros, again, because that will require a major increase in value, which I'm not expecting, but minimal increases in value is always the right way to go forward. And I'm also expecting Bitcoin to be heading closer to the $100,000 mark, guys, towards the end of the year. And if that does happen, if it does hit that target, just expect the crypto market to go crazy. But I do keep you guys updated on a daily basis on the crypto market, on what to expect and what to predict. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So at the moment, it is looking quite strong. However, as I mentioned earlier on in the video, do expect a little bit of a dip over the coming days. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. So as you guys can see, the crypto has literally broken out from the green zone into the dark green zone without any resistance, even into the blue zone earlier today. But it has taken a slight dip right now, and it is likely to head back down into the green zone over the coming days and then slowly start to increase in value, is what my predictions are at the moment. So heading into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up over 200% in the last 24 hours. Majority of it did come from the last couple of hours here, where it decided to pump up in value, and it is currently at $128 million in trading, guys, which is absolutely insane. And we can see majority of the crypto market or the community is on the bullish side for BitTorrent. Over the last week, 55% up, not as much as majority of the cryptocurrencies. Even if you look at Bitcoin itself, it has gained 10% in the last 24 hours. So BitTorrent has only started to follow a pattern over the last 24 to 48 hours, shall I say, unlike majority of the crypto which were pumping from earlier last week. And over the month it is up 34%. We can see majority of October and early November it was more or less dropping in value. So yeah, at the moment, BitTorrent is performing very well. Let me know in the comment section down below how high and how low are you guys expecting this crypto to go in 2024, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. Is it likely to get rid of any zeros? Is it not? Comment down below, guys. And also let me know if you're buying it, are you selling it, or are you simply holding on to it like myself. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And on that note, I'm going to end the video. Until then, take care and peace.